Good morning, students. I was telling you about transformation of sentence, and in my previous lecture, I told you how to transform affirmative sentences into negative, negative into interrogative, and interrogative into assertive sentence. In the continuation of that lecture, today I'm going to tell you how an exclamatory sentence can be changed into an assertive one. I give you an example. How sweet the moonlight sleeps upon the river bank. This is an exclamatory sentence. And if we have to change it into assertive sentence, we shall write like this: the moonlight sleeps sweetly upon the river bank. Now again, some more example. If only I were young again. Now if you have to change it into assertive, how would you say, I wish I were young again? How beautiful is this night? The night is very beautiful. What a delicious meal. The meal is delicious. To change one part of speech into another. The verb of a sentence can be changed into another part of speech without change in the meaning of the sentence. This kind of jokes never amuses me. Now, amuses is a verb, and if you have to change it, how would you write it? This kind of joke never gives me amusement. From verb, you have changed the part of speech without changing its meaning. In this sentence, the verb is changed into noun form. Similarly, it cost $12. Now, its cost is $12. He has disgraced his family. He is a disgrace to family. Verb is changed into adjective. He gave a curt reply. He replied curtly. Now, this curtly is an adverb. Now, adjective, all the adjectives are changed into adverb. Now, let us come to another point, and that is modal auxiliary verbs. What are modals? Modals are used to refer to a small group of verbs in English which are called modal auxiliaries or modal verb. They are can, could, may, might, must, have to, ought to, shall, should, will, would. Another group of words, need, dear, and used to, are called semi-modals. These verbs are used to express possibility, probability, capability, capacity, ability, desirability, obligation, etc. They can be followed only by a verb in the infinitive form. Modals do not take ed, en, or ing. Negatives are formed by putting a negative word such as not immediately after the modal. You should not worry. You must not worry. You ought not to worry. Only one modal can be used in a verbal group. If you are using number of auxiliaries including a modal auxiliary, the modal must be placed first after the tense auxiliary. May have been done or can be done.